I had to take another video because at nydiesels.com we're pulling the engines out of about every single truck. Alright Ronnie, let's pull it out. Look at this greasy monster. Yeah, somebody else would sell you something like this, wouldn't they? Covered in grease. Nasty motor. Yeah, nobody wants to do the hard work. We'll do the hard work, won't we, Ronnie? Nobody wants to pull and push like Ronnie. See, nobody wants to do the hard work. But you know what? This thing's covered in grease. It's a grease monster. But you know what? We're gonna fix it.
Move.
See, hauling these big mamma jammas out of here. Okay, we're gonna open this engine up soon. Nice low mileage engine. Leaking like hell. She's gonna get the full treatment, guys. Ronnie, ready to crack this thing open? Reseal it. Go through this whole engine. nydiesels.com